on a mission and I'm riding shotgun, man. I'm looking for a revolution in these stale plastic decades, man. All the bombs he drops don't seem to penetrate, man. All our minds being neutralized by these fucking PlayStations, man. My father's generation, they had fire in their bellies, man. We sit there like living room furniture in front of our tellies, man.
What are your views on religion?
I'm a suffering man. While these dreams are reaching dreams seem all distant, man. Sometimes I wish I didn't know about Marcus Mandela and Marley.
Yeah.
Man. Cause now I'm looking for a leader. Well, hey, I'm still looking, man. Well, I keep breathing and I'm still seeking, but I don't have a plan, man. For these lost shadows, these broken souls of our generations, man.
I know how big your boobs are.
Alright.
There's fire on the roads and there's no one at home, man. And we've stopped knocking on the door and wonder why there's no answer, man. Well, I'm down if you're down, so let's bring down this bigger man. Like these youths today, you see me, I'm just trying to be a man. Unlike these youths on road, you see me, I'm just trying to be a man. Hey, man. Hey, man. There's fire on the roads and there's no one at home, man. And we've stopped knocking on the door and wonder why there's no answer, man. Well, I'm down if you're down, so let's bring
yeah,
down
keep
this
it in the
bigger
fridge,
man.
please.
And like these youths today, you see me, I'm just trying to be a man. Unlike these youths on road, you see me, I'm just trying to be a man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man.
This is really creepy. Where is it coming from? That is so terrifying.
Like that, this is what you do, that's the film. With the music.